All right, this will be the easiest thing just about ever. What you need is some ball chain, this stuff, about 2 feet of it. You need one of the connectors, and you need a ring. This one's a little bit over 2 inches outside diameter, and cost $1.69. Go ahead and take that tag off. Now, all you're going to do is connect your chain, and then you're going to use this to do the trick. Now the trick is to hold that and throw it down in such a way that this goes inside here and ends up like that. But it looks better when you do it full motion. I might try to do some full motion and some slow motion to show you how it works. And then that's something you just hook together, keep it in your pocket, whatever, have it for tricks. So you hold the chain in one hand, the ring in the other. You show that you're just putting it up on there, and then flip it down and it catches. Now if you practice this and you've got it down pat, it'll do every single time. Just like that. Once again, I'll do it from the side. And close up. Oh, that time it didn't work. There you go. Oh, and always, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy.